Okay, how's it going, guys? We are going to explore a new little spot in Cornwall today, somewhere that I've not really been to before. Prussia Cove, which is somewhere in between Praa Sands and Marazion. So between the Lizard and Land's End, if you want to be really vague. And I believe I have to turn somewhere along here. I'm looking for Prussia Cove Road. But I looked at it on the map. I've been sort of all around there, but I've never actually been to Prussia Cove before, so a little bit of a learning experience. But yeah, on the map it looks really quite lovely. I think at low tide you get a really nice beach that shouldn't get too busy, and lots of little sort of crannies, Cornish sort of little mini coves. I think there's a Piskies cove, and I think there's about sort of 4 or 5 coves all in a row, little mini ones. Okay, here we go, Prussia Cove. Don't really know how busy this gets down here. I know there's a little car park, but we shall see what we shall see. It's quite lovely around here. More leafy than I expected. Bikes and cycles. As in push bikes? Oh, I'm going to ignore that. A few people in the car park. Okay, well there we go. And I think it's a little short walk to the actual cove now. So, whoa. I think I'm going to find a stone to put my bike on so it doesn't fall over, and then we'll go and explore.
Okay, let's quickly explore this little spot. So let's have a quick look over here. Stay clear of that house, don't want to annoy anyone. But this, it's an absolutely stunning day today, it really is. A couple of sup guys, stand-up paddleboard. Okay, so this really is a stunning little spot. Let's have a little cruise down over here and try to avoid flying near anyone. But I just want to explore the area a little bit. So I believe this is Pestreath Beach, Pestreath Cove. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I've never been here before. Purely going by the map. And that little rocky crag just out there in the centre of the screen now, that's Hoe Point, I believe. But wow, what a stunning spot. Hardly anyone on the beach too. Make sure I'm not flying anyone over anyone. So yeah, so I'm just like nestled in that little corner just there. But yeah, what a great spot. Can't believe I've never been here before. So I think the next beach along past that point there is Praa Sands, and then there's a few little coves heading that way that I'm going to walk to and explore next. But what a great spot. It's so calm because I really sort of nestled. I mean, it's not very wavy today anyway, but it's just even calmer here because it's we're sort of nestled in away from any swell from the west and any swell from the south almost. So really tucked in here. Wow, look at that. Imagine living in a house like that right here on this stunning spot. Now the sup guys are slowly exploring the whole coast by the looks of it. That is a good way to get around. Okay, let's bring her in. Let's have a little look at this spot. Just wanted to calmly fly around and check this spot out. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, Pestreath Beach, Pestreath Cove. What a great spot. Oh yikes, just keeps on going and going. This is an amazing spot. Wow. So that must be Piskies Cove. Next one along there, I believe. It's definitely worth a fly here, because this is just stunning. So, I believe this over here, where I just saw the seal, is Piskies Cove. And it looks absolutely stunning. Looks like some really cool caves there. A couple of snorkelers. I'm not sure what point this is. I'll put that on the map, maybe. I'm not going to fly much further because that starts to go into National Trust ground over there. But just look at this though, this is stunning. Can't resist having a little look at these caves. Wow, this is an amazing spot. How have I never been here before? This is just nuts. So that's Piskies Cove. Now if we come around the corner here, I think this is BESSY'S Cove. Let's come in low and then get a bit of height. This here is BESSY'S Cove. Another absolutely stunning spot. And then if we look over that direction, that's where I was a couple of minutes ago. But wow, I'm just amazed I've not been here before. The wind's picking up a little bit. But it's still an absolutely stunning day. It's just so quiet. Genuinely amazed. I've never been down here before. There's loads of these little cave things everywhere. Whoops, don't know if I know that. There. Wow, I definitely want to explore that. Just look at this water. So clear. Anyway, so there you go, that's Piskies Cove and BESSY'S Cove down here on the south coast. Okay, so that was Prussia Cove. Looks like we timed it pretty well because the car park is now rammed. It's Dalmatian. Watch out, doggy. So yeah, in summary, I cannot believe I've never been there before, because that is a stunning spot. It really does have a feel of south of France about it. I think it's the combination of there was pretty much no wind today, really hot, and then that kind of cragged coast, but then with a bit of leafiness to it as well, with some of those trees. I forget the species, but they go up and then they jet out at different angles, and there's just so many flowers, and I don't know, it just had a really nice feel about it. So there's the Piskies Bay. I think that was my favourite spot. I think next time I go there, I'm definitely going to go down and explore the caves. I didn't actually go down to the beach there, but it was clearly absolutely stunning. Anyway, so yeah, absolutely stunning spot. Highly recommended. I think definitely try to get there early, because that car park is tiny and it seems to be the only one, and it's already rammed now. So yeah, get there early, or maybe cycle there from nearby or something, or walk along the coast to it. But yeah, absolutely just glorious, really is.
And now I'm definitely ready for a cup of tea after all that walking. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later.